Welcome to another episode of EThekwini News in 60 seconds, your weekly roundup of municipal news that matters. EThekwini Municipality leadership brought smiles to vulnerable learners across the city through a vibrant annual back-to-school program. Through the program, learners received donations such as uniforms, stationery, and dignity packs to help remove barriers to learners and directly improve attendance, focus, and build self-esteem. It was all jubilation for the community of Sankonche during the official opening of a library in the area. EThekwini Municipality's rebranding journey is gaining momentum as the campaign continues to be rolled out across the city. This initiative marks a clear shift in how the city positions itself to businesses, investors, and strategic partners. People have until the 19th of February to make inputs. That's it for this episode. Catch you next week.